It's IPSY mystery bag time. If you want to see what's in their $35 one, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Dexter's hanging out with me. Bandit's skulking around somewhere. And Chloe's not here, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So, I don't know, I really like the bag. So I had to get it. I think it's $34.95. But I said, let me give it a try. Let me see what we got. I did get this a little bit later, so it had sold out and then restocked. So I think I might have different stuff than other people got. We'll see. Just a little sneak peek. It did come in a bag. I stuffed it in there, but I didn't really look. And I did see a palette. So this is by Moonslice Beauty, and this is their Blushing Moon blush. And it's kind of excited because I packed one of my sister's birthday boxes all up from last year. She didn't want really any cosmetics. So really didn't put any cosmetics in there. And then my mom's like, oh yeah, your sister said she would like some pink makeup. And I was like, okay. So Moonslice is a great brand. They're cruelty-free. They have great products. And I think this is going to be gorgeous. I love that terracotta one right there. I think that's a great color for everybody. But the pinks, they look super pink, but once you put them on, I'm going to give it to her, so I don't want to put my fingers in there. I think they're going to be lovely. So right there, great. And I don't think, because I think I saw other people, I don't think I saw this as one of their products. So I'm thinking I might have some different stuff. All right, next, now this is supposed to be all full size. This is by Sorelli, and this is the glitter on top 3D. I think it's like an eye topper, like an eyeshadow thing. It's a little brush. Oh, yes. Oh, this is awesome. This is an awesome bag right here. I am so happy I got this one. We've got some duochrome there. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm loving this. All right, what else do we have in here? From Lower East Side is a felt tip liquid eyeliner. And I'm not going to use that, but I think that's a nice product. I've been into pencils lately, so I'm not going to open it. It is all sealed up, but because somebody's looking for a little makeup, this is going to go to that person. All right, next by Ofra, we have their Vitamin C Cleanser. This is a really nice cleanser. I've used it before. So that is a bonus. This is 4 ounces. And then last, from the Lifestyle Company. Oh, is this a perfume? It is a lip tint. Okay. In what shade? I don't see. Of course, I really can't. It's really hard to read because it's like a light color on a light color. Oh, but it's definitely like a pinky color. Look at that. You can see that. You make that out right there? Yeah, that's pretty. This was a really great bag, you guys. I think. I don't know if you guys do. Because it was almost, yeah, it was all makeup, one cleanser, but the rest makeup. But I think they knocked it out of the park with this one. I don't know. I don't think I saw it, because if I had saw somebody get this before, I would have jumped right on it. But I hemmed and hawed about it. It sold out. And I'm like, oh, it sold out. Then it was banging. I'm like, I don't know. I guess I'll get it. The bag's really cute. I'm so glad I did. It was a great one. All right. I did get 2 add-ons with that. I got the Ice Gloss Bomb in Melon from Fenty Beauty. So it's a clear kind of melon scented. And then I got the JVN Volumizing Shampoo because I don't know, I've been into trying this line. I don't know why, it just kind of struck me as interesting. And I got some samples, but I wanted to try the shampoo. They didn't have the conditioner with it, but that's all right. I'll give it a try. All right, what'd you guys think? What'd you guys think of that bag? I'm saying nailed it. Let me know in the comments down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.